In front of me is REALME C3i, and let me show you how to activate camera timer in this phone. So first of all, just open the camera app. And now, once you're in photo mode, you need to tap on more icon. And here you will notice timer, smoothly click on it. And as you can see, one tap is for 3 seconds delay, and then 2 times for 10 seconds delay. Let me choose 10 seconds delay. And as you can see, now you can grab a photo with 10 seconds delay. At first you will hear and see the countdown, and then the picture will be grabbed. And that's it. To switch the timer off, just tap here, mark photo timer again, and it's turned off. And that will be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.